are under attack at Point, Connecticut.
Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous.
You ever had a whole AI fucking army trainer guns on you and only you? That shit was crazy.
Where's the fight at? Where's the fight at right now? At the bases we do not have captured. There's probably fucking 40 guys that are living right now in Colorado.
I remember that sick ass man in there too.
Looking at them and not shooting. Hey man, you're a traitor.
You're been in the tunnels before, boy. Tunnels are real scary, man.
I took a shit at one of them tunnels. Man, one of them good shit. We're not the right spot.
Don't do that corner. Don't do that corner.
Yeah.
Alright, good, because I signed up last time and that shit was bullshit.
You're gonna do it.
Communism shucks.
The bullshit!
Sure does.
Alpha main to all stations. We are under attack at Point, Massachusetts.
We're gonna go Connecticut, okay?
Yep.
The winner takes it all. Man, I hate when they make a TV show so fucking short and so good and you gotta wait a whole nother year for another season. That shit aggravates the fuck out of me. Knights of the
Alright,
17.
in the green.
Never heard of it.
Yep.
It's fucking fire.
Pull.
Down the game. Baby, I am. Hit you.
Sorry about that.
Keep your head down.
Guy coming off
Oh, I used to have a real slumlord dude. He was like the worst. He would invite prostitutes over to like fuck, like homeless prostitutes, you know, like lawn lizards, and do like drugs and meth. I remember one time I got into an argument with one because he's convincing her that she also did crack. But she's like, no, I didn't do the crack. That's the one I didn't do. And it was like, but when he because he doesn't want to pay him. He would be like, oh, were you stealing something, right? I'd have to call the police, you know, and then wouldn't cause like a proper whatever, right? But it'd be like, hey man, can you just help remove this belligerent person from my property? I've asked him to leave multiple times. It's fucked up, dude. So he's like an old fat man too. He's gross and ugly. I don't like him. You're like Aura Farvik, basically, and then you got, hey man, you gotta level it up. You can't have too much aura. You know what I'm saying? That's unfair to others.
Pilots, what are we doing?
We're going over to Connecticut for exfil.
Connecticut?
Yeah, right here, or whatever the fuck this place is.
Oh. Alright.
Yeah, we're going to Texas too.
Yeah, Texas.
But we have two heavies making their way to Texas.
Here, follow me because my rudders are hit bad.
I'm actually gonna hit safe.
My rotors are hit bad.
We're receiving rocket fire, small arms fire. We're probably going to be making a little bit as we try to avoid that.
Holy shit, I just killed an enemy, blind spraying.
So how y'all doing in here? Barbecue bacon alert! You know what I'm saying?
I'm looking him up. Yeah, okay.
Put your nose in for the lottery, you might win.
We got a jumper?
Yeah, you had a jumper.
Oh, here's one over here. Little spot, little green patch. Little green patch right here.
No, it's not. Vietnam invested.
Thanks for the ride, man. Appreciate it.
You're welcome, have fun, guys.
We'll do our darndest. Don't worry. We just need to be heading north from here. About bearing.
They are in the camp of Colorado, or they're in the camp of Colorado.
Oddly homosexual of a person like that. That was very weird.
Alright. Okay, I'm gonna stop here. You're
And good.
Wait, you wanted to pick up Richmond to go to Omaha? We were just at Richmond! What the fuck?
Any helicopters need a gunner? Transport to Texas? Do any armed helicopters need a gunner? Yeah. At Texas. Chopper approaching Omaha, stay to its west and land southwest of Omaha to stay clear of the anti-air.
Whoa! It was sick. Fuck, see, this puzzle's up, man.
AT unit down here, Omaha.
I might be going AFK.
Is it just me or is it fucking quiet in this bird, bro? It is quiet.
Wow.
Nobody's saying
Wow.
a damn thing.
Holy shit!
I'm at Maine. Does anybody need
Oh,
pickup?
Are you gonna crash land us? Oh fuck, those trees are low. So where are you guys from? Where's this fire team from? Yeah.
Me personally, I'm from California.
California, what are you doing in Nam, man? Bunch of hippies over there didn't want the war. You're one of the good ones, man. You're one of the good ones, I'll tell you what. Hey, watch the tree, man, watch the tree!
That was fun.
Have a good one.
Bye-bye.
Last man. You're good to go.